Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to join Discord server without an invite. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my Discord, and first thing first, if you want to join Discord server without an invite, we can go to the section. You can click on this plus button and then you can click on join the server. Even though it says have an invite link already, don't worry because you can still click on this option even though you don't have invite link. Okay, and click on this option guys. Don't have an invite, just click on it and here you'll be able to find your community on Discord. You can scroll down like this to find the community you want to join. You can also search for a community right here on the search menu, and for example I'm just going to search for this community. Okay, then you can select the community you want to join, and I'm just going to choose for instance this one. Okay, then you can click on the join option right here. Okay, alright guys, and that's all the way to join a Discord server without an invite. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.